One of my hobbies has always been drawing floor plans for a dream home. My biggest thing, apart from symmetry, is having a big dining room. I've always wanted one. With apartment living, one can't really choose the dining room, but we got lucky with this one. The half wall makes it feel like an actual dining room, but it doesn't allow me to extend the table to its full length, but it's still big enough to allow for a sideboard. The size of the table and chairs will play a big role on how it will fit and look in the room. If you have large chairs, it can make a large room look small. You also have to consider the width of the table. Will it be narrow like my IKEA table, which is only 34 inches wide? Or will you have a 4-foot wide table where you can fit serving dishes in the middle? Because the table width and length are your choice, this video will be about helping you decide how far you want the table from the wall. So this is how I like my dining room. I just measured it and it's 5 feet from the wall, so 60 inches from the wall. And then from kid's side to the wall is 24.5 inches. For reference, this sideboard from IKEA is about 18.5 inches, and the furniture to the wall is about 19.5 inches. The results, 3 feet is definitely the minimum from the table to wall or table to furniture. I've read online that the maximum space from wall to table should be 6 feet in order to keep it looking proportionate. After trying it out, I agree, especially if the chairs are thin. Here's a picture that looks like it's a nice distance from the wall, but in this next image, you can see that it's too far. If the yellow tiles are 1 foot each, then it's probably 9 feet from the wall. So 6 feet looks like it's the max for sure. Even with upholstered chairs, I think 6 feet will be enough. 6 feet on each side plus a 4 foot wide table. That makes your dining room's width 16 feet. But if you have really oversized upholstered chairs that you can't push up against the table, then maybe you should consider measuring from the back of the chair to the wall. Remember to keep your dining room symmetrical, otherwise your lighting will be off center if you have furniture on one side and not the other. Or make a new center by creating alcoves where the sideboards and buffets go. Well, I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!